Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone. We are going to learn about harakats today. Harakat means diacritical shape of the Arabic alphabet. It is also called short vowels. It is a small shape or a symbol above or below the Arabic letter which tells us how to read the alphabet correctly. This is what makes Arabic language unique. If you interchange the harakats, the meaning of the Arabic word will completely change. Come with me, let's learn about the harakats first. Fatah is written above the Arabic letter in the form of a very small font. Kasr, it is written below the Arabic letter in a very small font. Lam, it is a lowercase of waw and also it is written above the Arabic letter. Sukun, it is lowercase of 0 or O and it is written above the Arabic letter. These four harakats plays vital role in the language learning of Arabic. I am going to show how it works. This letter is alif and above there is a lam. This one we have to recite u. And it is fatah above the Arabic letter alif. A. Here it's a sukun. And this is kasr. It is below the Arabic letter E. Ba, bu, bi, b, t, ta, ti, tu, you, ya, you, yi, n, ni, na, nu. This letter is kha. And the harakat is dhamma. This alphabet is kha and harakat above the Arabic letter is lam. We have to recite khu here. This one is sukun above the Arabic letter kh. This one is fatah and it is above the Arabic letter kha. This one is kasr and it's below the Arabic letter khi. Ha, hi, hu, h, ri, r, ra, ru, z, za, zu, zi, vi, wu, wa, w. In this page, we can see harakats are in disorder, and that is to know and recognize the harakats along with the letter and to learn very well. We will learn the Arabic alphabets and harakats along with it, inshallah.